Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Wednesday, May 22nd, 2013. Well, quite a bearish candle today and a very large black-bodied candle, and the black body denotes the sellers making a substantial amount of net bearish progress in a day between the open and the close. And if we look back, it's been quite some time since we've seen a candle with those black body dimensions. A very large shadow on the top of this body denoting a very serious amount of downside price rejection in a day where the sellers have taken control of this market, and fairly strong control, and they've shown fairly strong commitment to taking this market lower. Now, yesterday we were looking for a potential change of trend to the downside. We had two spinning top, or a doji and a spinning top type candles of indecision, and at the end of a very strong first and second time frame uptrend, we were looking for some selling to come in, and that's what's happened today. But technically the trend hasn't changed. We don't have a candle with a lower high and a lower low. We actually have a candle with a higher high and a lower low. So this is in bar chart terms an outside day, and it's once again also a candle of indecision, and the indecisiveness is about the potential for the trend to continue to the upside. And this candle certainly does look as if the next trading period, if the sellers remain strong, that the first time frame downtrend will be established. The market tested up to the 1687 area today, so the buyers were strong early on, and then the sellers came in force to close the market just at the Tenkan Sen. And as I've mentioned previously, when we have a market that has very solid upside momentum, as we've seen in this market over the previous month or so, that Tenkan Sen tends to be the first place that the market finds support. And here we've seen buying coming in just around that Tenkan Sen and just below. So very crucial area for this market for tomorrow's trading. If that Tenkan Sen holds, we could see the market bounce back up to potentially the 1687 level. But if we do see early bearish trading down below there, we could see the market testing to significantly lower levels. Now, in terms of the Fibonacci extension, and we're still in that first time frame uptrend technically, and here we've seen the market rejecting from above the 423.6% level. We had the indecisive spinning top and doji type candle around that 423.6%, attempting to trade above there and strongly rejected from there. It does suggest that there is potential for a change of trend to the downside. And in terms of the Fibonacci retracement, and we're in an expansive mode of that, and here we saw the market trade almost to the 685.4% level at 1692. We came within 5 points of there. Now, it's quite rare to see markets trade up to those levels, and it's little wonder that we've seen very strong price rejection from around that area, and this does suggest that there is good potential for a change of trend. And when we look at the strength of this trend in the recent past, it is really overdue for this market to correct and for some profit taking to come into this market. Now, this market also attempted to rally up towards the 1700 level. It did a very good job of it, trading above the previous highs around the 1675 level, trading some 14 or so points up above there. But really the level up there, that psychological level, seemed to have had some sort of an effect on the market. The fact that we were trading around or near an important Fibonacci level saw selling come back in, and this market is attempting to find value or equilibrium at lower levels, and here we've seen the market find equilibrium at the Tenkan Sen in the short-term time frame. Now, in terms of the cloud, we are trading up above the cloud, so we do still have a bullish market in the long-term time frame, and the market was looking a little bit overextended above these levels, and we are now seeing the market attempt to retrace back towards the equilibrium in that long-term time frame suggested by the cloud. A similar picture with the Kijun Sen, trading above the Kijun Sen, so bullish in that medium-term time frame, but a long way above there, and the market's attempting to retrace back towards there. So if we do see bearish activity down below the Tenkan Sen early here, then we could see the market trading down to potentially the Kijun Sen around 1611. One minor area that we could watch here is where the market has found support for today's trading. We have some minor support around this 1650 level, but also around this small congestion area from 1636 down to around the 1622 level. We could see some potential support coming in there. But down below these levels we do have the kitchen center and then the round number 1600 level, a very, very important level there. Looking at the chicken span, that's above the corresponding price action, so it's confirming what we're seeing in the long-term and medium-term time frames, but failing to confirm the neutrality that we are seeing in that short-term time frame, with the market trading right at the Tenkan Sen. So moving forward, we do need to watch the area around the low of the current candle for a potential lower high and lower low. So that area around 1650, 1649 becomes important. There is a possibility of the market continuing to come off. If we do see buying come back into the market, then obviously 1687 will be an important high, and the round number 1700 may come into play. But at the moment, the sellers are in control. It's likely that we will see an amount of selling coming in, then the buyers come back into the market after finding some support down around lower levels.